Hello everyone. Today we find some toys. Okay, let's see some toys. Where is toys? Where is toys? Here? No, no, no. Where is toys? Wow! I find a toy. Nice. Oh my god. It's really nice. Woo! Wow. Okay, find another one. Yahoo! Wow, I find another toy. It's a card. Nice. I want to find another toy. Wow, I find another one. I think it's a police car. Yahoo! I find another one. It's really awesome. Wow. Bike. This is motorcycle. Wow. Really nice. I find another one. Woohoo! Nice car. Wow. Wow, it's an airplane. Wow, I find another one car. Now I watch the car. Wow. Hooray! It's an airplane. It's an blue airplane. What is this? Wow, it's a Jeep car. It's really awesome colorful car. What is this? Wow, blue color car. Victory car. Wow, it's an container truck. Nice container truck. It's blue color car. Woohoo! It's an motorcycle. This is motorcycle. It's orange color motorcycle. It's a really awesome motorcycle. Wow, it's green Jeep car. Red color. This red color racing car. Wow, it's racing car. Wow, mini car truck. It's really nice. Wow, it's white color car. It's container truck. Doo 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 doo. It's police car. Doo 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 doo. Wow, there is a lots of car vehicle. This is really nice. Wow, mini car truck is really nice. Wow, there is a lots of car.